Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about KMU-CAT 2025 test preparation part 1I. Dear students, if you need MCQs for KMU-CAT test preparation, let me know in the comment section. अगर आपको KMU-CAT टेस्ट प्रिपरेशन के लिए MCQs चाहिए तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हैं. डियर व्यूवर्स, अभी तक अगर आपने मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें. शुक्रिया. अगर आप KMU-CAT टेस्ट के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है. इस वीडियो को आखिर तक ज़रूर देखें. द प्रोटीन कंटेंट ऑफ सोयाबीन्स इज़ अबाउट ऑप्शन ए 30%, बी 40%, C 50% and option D 60%. So the correct option is B 40%. Explanation is soybeans are a rich plant-based protein source containing approximately 40% proteins by dry weight. So this is very important MCQs. The largest immunoglobulin is option A IgA, B IgG, C IgM and option D IgD. So the correct option is C IgM. IgM is a pentamer which is 5 antibodies units joined together, making it the largest antibody class. The molecular weight of human albumin is about option A 1,56,000, B 90,000, C 69,000 and option D 54,000. So the correct option is C 69,000. Human albumin has a molecular weight of 69,000 daltons. The hormone that stimulates milk ejection is option A prolactin, B oxytocin, C estrogen and option D progesterone. So the correct option is B oxytocin. Oxytocin released from the posterior pituitary triggers the contraction of smooth muscles in the breast, aiding in milk ejection during breastfeeding. So this is very important MCQs. The lipid content of egg white is option A 12%, B 33%, C 10 to 11% and option D trace. So the correct option is D trace. Explanation is egg white is mostly water and protein with only trace amount of lipids. So dear students, this is very important MCQs. Which enzyme initiates the digestion of proteins in the stomach? Option A amylase, B pepsin, C trypsin and option D lipase. So the correct option is B pepsin. Pepsin is secreted by stomach, is pepsinogen and activated by cell. It starts breaking down proteins into smaller peptide. Which hormone regulates the sleep-wake cycle? Option A cortisol, B insulin, C melatonin and option D thyroxine. So the correct option is C melatonin. Melatonin secreted by pineal gland, which helps to control circadian rhythms and promote sleeps. So the electrostatic bonds can be formed between the side chains of option A alanine and leucine, B leucine and valine, C aspartate and glutamate, and option D, lysine and aspartate. So the correct option is D, lysine and aspartate. Lysine and aspartate form ionic electrostatic bonds. This is very important MCQs. The primary site of gas exchange in the lungs is option A, bronchi, B, bronchioles, C, alveoli, and option D, trachea. So the correct option is C, alveoli. Alveoli are thin-walled structures where oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged. Allergic reactions are mediated by option A, IgA, B, IgG, C, IgD, and option D, IgE. So the correct option is D, IgE. IgE bind to mast cell and basophils, triggering histamine release when allergens are countered. So this is very important MCQs. The quaternary structure subunits are linked by option A, peptide bonds, B, disulfide bonds, C, covalent bonds, and option D, non-covalent bonds. So the correct option is D, non-covalent bonds. Quaternary structure involves non-covalent interactions, which is hydrogen bonds, hydrophobic and ionic bonds between subunits. So this is very important MCQs. A disulfide bond can be formed between option A, two methionine residues, B, two cysteine residues, C, a methionine and cysteine residues, and option D, all of these. So the correct option is B, two cysteine residues. Explanation is cysteine residues form disulfide bonds via oxidation of their thiol groups. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें. So this is very important MCQs. The amino acid that is not optically active is option A, alanine, B, glycine, C, glutamine, and option D, lysine. So the correct option is B, glycine. Glycine is the only non-chiral proteinogenic amino acid. So this is the last MCQs. Ammonia is transported from muscle to the liver mainly in the form of option A, free ammonia, B, glutamine, C, asparagine, and option D, alanine. So the correct option is D, alanine. The glucose-alanine cycle uses alanine is the main nitrogen carrier from muscles to the liver, where it's converted to the urea. Thank you for watching my videos.